Hello, my name is Kev from dataSights, and in this video we're going to look at the SQL Templates section. So in this video I'm not going to go through, for once, the benefits of SQL and how that can help improve your report creation times, maintenance times, performance particularly. What we're going to show you is that in our platform we have a large amount of SQL templates and how to run those in. So obviously in the templates section, SQL templates, on these main ones, that's where we have pre-canned templates. However, we're adding to them all the time, and of course you can get in touch with us to customize any for you as well. So first of all, obviously pick the system that you are wanting to create the template for. They should be pretty self-explanatory because they largely replicate these systems' inbuilt reports. However, the benefit is that we're building this up from raw granular data. Therefore, you are going to be able to customize them, tailor them, and often make them more accurate than the incumbent or native reports from that platform. So if we click on one of these, forgive that there's no video here because the video I'm recording is going to go here. But yeah, this will be explaining what to do, etc. And then all you need to do is click OK, or open in SQL Editor. And then you can click execute. Now, this is the core of the SQL statement, so there's a lot of value in IP here, and it might not mean anything to yourselves, and that's totally fine, of course. You could use our fancy AI data query to build some up yourselves or edit them yourselves, but yeah, at the end of the day, this is the SQL view itself, and all you have to do is click execute. Once that's done, let me pause. Sorry about that, but I guess that's good. We've seen here that the database has said, oh, there's no credit notes available, and that's right. In this demo data that we have, we don't have credit notes. We've only got invoices, and we've got bank transactions, which we're appending together in this view to build up an accurate data set. So if we try that again, it should say commands completed successfully, and as you can see here, currently these are our views. These are obviously all of our tables from our different source systems, which is the raw data as it comes in from the API, and these are the custom views or templated views that we can then use in reporting. If we just hit refresh here, then this is ready to go. So we can do a select query and actually go and have a look at the data. So all of that logic that you saw in that SQL view, it's now living at the database layer. All we need to do is open up Excel, Power BI, push to Google Sheets, Google Looker, Tableau, doesn't matter. Call the Zero Sales view, and we've got all of that wonderful logic wrapped up and ready to be reused multiple times. Okay, hope that makes sense. As always, any questions, anytime, fire away.